What's the meaning of acrobat? Acrobat. 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 The term acrobat refers to a skilled performer who is known for their ability to perform impressive physical feats, often involving balance, agility, and flexibility. Acrobats are commonly associated with circus acts but can also be found performing in a variety of other venues, such as stage productions, dance performances, and sporting events. These performers typically rely on years of training and practice to develop their unique skills, and often work in teams or groups to create visually stunning and awe-inspiring performances that captivate audiences around the world. Overall, acrobatics is an art form that requires both physical strength and artistic flair to be executed successfully.